Hi guys, so in this video I have my friend here, Renzo, and we're just gonna do some battles, and we're just gonna pick some random base in this box, and we're just gonna battle them. First 2 points gets the win. Okay, let's start. Wait, okay, I'm gonna go first. First bay. Wait. So I have Gatling Dragon. Wait.
The combo is missing.
Verse. So Gatling Dragon.
My turn. Ay. I got through my Phoenix. Wish me luck.
Bro. Okay, first point.
1 point.
1
1-0.
point from Gatling. 3, 2, 1. Hope I don't burst, bro. Okay, that's the win.
As expected.
Hey. First, I go first, and first day. Greatest Rafael. Okay, next one.
Lucky.
Dangerous billion, not the
Big
perfect gear.
back. Big back.
I'm gonna go defense mode.
Big back. What else?
3, 2, 1. Stamina. Waka.
Big back did not win.
I'm gonna go attack mode. Three, two, one. Oh!
Belial almost got destroyed.
Belial is so quick skin.
3.
That's a win.
Win.
Hey. Lucifer and next bay. Okay, Prominence Valkyrie.
So I'm gonna hand spin Lucifer so I don't lose. This guy's stamina sucks.
3, 2, 1. Bro, that's just an hand spin, dude.
Bro, makita mo naman. To.
I lose, bro. I lose. Burst 2 points, so Hey, first bay mo.
Ang ganun.
Venom Devilos. Venom Devilos. Attack mode. Wait. The combo. What could he hit?
My turn.
Wait! I'm gonna shuffle! Okay.
Baliw siya.
First bay. That's Word Spring. One of the best parking bays. Bro, the driver!
The driver is not driving.
Basic is not basicing. Bro, it's the driver, dude. Bro, where is the... So, Venom Devilos has not the bullet driver. But, it's okay. Bro is still finding the driver. Wait, I'm gonna have... Okay, from the combo.
Only after 700 years.
Wait. Wait. Bro. Wait. Okay, start now. 3, 2, 1, go. Word's big on first point. Next. 3, 2, 1. Gonna win this. Hope I win, dude. Hope I win.
No.
Yes! 1-1. 1-1. Third round.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my! Bro, this one hit combo.
I win.
Okay. Next bay. Chocolate.
Kala mo.
Hey. First bay man. Hop! Hop, Piri! Fafnir. Okay. Punish Fafnir. The spin steel gun. Oh, bro. Hey, Astral, Spriggan.
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna go defense mode. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Stamina battle. Okay, you know this. Yay.
Hand spin time. Next round is gonna be hand spin.
Hand spinning.
With a different timer, so.
Lucifer Dance Driver.
Big back driver.
Wait. Attack mode.
Me first, not you first, okay? I will end your home, but just wait.
No, dude. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, third round. This is gonna launch it. Nah. Attack mode. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Bro, what it? God combo!
Yung anak ko rin. Sorry. Okay, let's go next one.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Wait.
Minor inconvenience. Because our friend just...
Okay, first bay. Okay. First bay,
Go.
Prominence Phoenix.
Me turn.
Wait. I'm gonna go get the armor. Okay. I'm gonna shuffle bay. Next bay. Got. What is that? Okay,
Prime
Apocalypse.
Sige. Wait. This guy is broken, so don't expect birthday.
So, yeah.
Cause... Never mind.
Wait.
I will get in big trouble.
3, 2, 1.
I just launch. Oh shit.
Wait. I'm gonna go with no armor. With no armor.
Pag hindi mo in-edit, hahanapin ko lang.
3, 2,
Send mo sa akin yung video. Send mo sa akin yung video.
Okay, I win this.
Send mo sa akin ako mag-i-edit. Hindi pinos yung in-edit.
Wait. Ay! No! Okay. First bit. Oh, hell no! Tempest Dragon!
Shit, pangalawa na.
Okay. Your turn, brat!
My bad.
Okay.
I got trash can, okay. I got trash can.
Crash gun, dude.
I lose. GG.
The best of every brain. Top one bay.
Pakot lang ako.
Oh! Bro! What? Okay, first point to me.
Okay, let's go. One more.
3, 2, 1. Bro, if this guy wins. Oh, nah, dude. No. Yes. I win this. And
That's all. So.
no, that's not all. Dude. We still have the last bay. Okay, last match. And go. Okay, dude. Okay.
Finally.
First bay. Victory. And last bay. Xeno Excalibur.
What a great matchup.
bursting. Three, two, one, go. Hope I don't burst. Oh yes! Zero Excalibur is the best. Nah,
That's all guys. Bye bye.
that's all guys.
Bye bye my niggas.